We are going to talk you through the technology of all new Zeekr 7 GT and the experience it delivers. Our technology has a clear purpose: to support and empower the driver.
So, as a driver, you will see simple, clear interfaces with the reassurance that they are powered by a highly advanced computer architecture, which has its core A Qualcomm Snapdragon 8295 chip. With 4 GB memory, 32 GB storage, and we're able to deliver 30 terabyte operations per second. This power enables the 3 screens, the augmented reality hood, the instrument cluster, and the center display to work simultaneously in high speed and with high resolutions.
Thanks to this digital power, the driver and the passenger can interact with the full range of functionality available on these screens with no lag. Meanwhile, the rear passenger can also have access to the vehicle key function, such as changing music, adjusting the navigation, using real-time information using voice assistance command. You also see the world around you with the surround reality view. This display shows other cars, pedestrian, bicycle, and even road marking to give you full confidence in all situations. And your eye stays forward and your attention stays where it belongs. Behind the steering wheel, you will find the 13-inch driver instrument screen. This is where we present essential vehicle information, such as range, charging status, energy flow, presented with a simple, modern, clear graphics.
We are moving to haptic controls. Important features are also easy to find, with intuitive physical controls on the steering wheel and the center console. That includes drive modes, audio adjustments, view changes, and the most important, the assistant controls.
And so, for us, it's important that the driver can access all this control while keeping their hands on the steering wheel. For more feature, this is a 15-inch central display. You can find climate, seating, drive modes, lighting, and assistant setting within 1 or 2 steps. The responsive high-resolution OLED screen can also be customized for your own shortcut. And intelligent Zeekr navigation system gives you confident journey and route planning.
Over the past 6 months, we have worked hard to develop our new navigation system with customer feedback as our priority. Mapping is clear, shown in highly detailed 3D graphics. It includes real-time traffic and a comprehensive charging station database. It can integrate any charging stops in your journey automatically by knowing your range and destination. And it will choose stations that will give you the fastest charging to your car's 800-volt charging system. The center screen is also your place to control the 23 speakers, the Zeekr Premium sound system. This is our own in-house developed system and something we are extremely proud of. This follows our engineering ambitions to be in control of all the manufacturing elements of the car and to deliver our customers the best immersive sound experience while on the road. This is part of how we deliver the best value proposition that we can. It includes 2 individual speakers in the driver's seat headrest. These can carry navigation instructions, phone calls directly to the driver's ear. You can take calls or receive guidance without disturbing your other passengers in the car.
There is a specific feature I want to show you that demonstrates the simplicity of our powerful technology. Zeekr Assisted Drive includes fingertip parking. When you need to park in a busy city center or in a narrow street, you can tap the space on the central display, confirm the selection, and the car completes a maneuver by its own. Steering, acceleration, braking, and are all managed smoothly and accurately. Camera build a clear overhead image so you always understand your surroundings. And parking is made even easier by remote parking assist in the Zeekr companion app. This lets you to maneuver your car from outside from your phone. And the app also gives you remote access to charging status, preconditioning, locking and unlocking, and several other functions.
In any drive mode or conditions, Zeekr Assisted Drive makes driving safe and easy. It is packed with level 2 autonomous driving features, from intelligent adaptive cruise control with towing assist to lane centering control, automatic lane change assist, and traffic light awareness. It's powered by the 7 cameras, 3 radars, and 12 ultrasonic sensors, all tuned specifically for the European roads and traffic conditions. We follow highest testing standard and simulate a vast number of scenarios and safety cases. I'm talking millions of these. We have completed more than 200,000 kilometers of dedicated ADAS testing on a wide range of roads in more than 15 countries across Europe. That also covers the required TSI verification. The system is powered by the J6M chip incorporated within the computing power of the onboarding system.
We have added a forward-looking technology environment, the Zeekr 7GT, inspiring design, revolutionary performance, and craftsmanship. For me, this is in line with the Zeekr vision for maximum support to the driver, while putting the joypad into the journey. Let's look at the way it drives and how this completes its advantage. We have said this is a true driver car, engineered in Europe by European engineers and tuned for European roads. It delivers power, precision, balance, and confidence, with the refinement and comfort Zeekr is known for. Whether you are traveling through mountains, navigating country road, or cruising along an highway, you will feel a sense of precision and calm confidence.
There are 3 elements to deliver this. It's the premium chassis hardware with precise tuning, 800-volt system that provides incredible performance from instant power, and rigid body design. Incredible performance from instant power like a sports car, attuned for different driving modes and EU roads. Let's look first at its performance. With a choice of battery outputs and chemistry, the all-new Zeekr 7GT offers up to 646 horsepower, 710 Newton-meters of torque. This maximum output comes from a 100 kilowatt-hour nickel-manganese cobalt battery with 2 electrical drive units. This delivers 0 to 100 within 3.3 seconds. Think about that. And this is, of course, becomes very handy when you need to overtake on the highway. The same battery specification can also deliver up to 655 kilometers of driving, ensuring that the 7GT can provide both performance and the range you would expect from a true GT car.
As a driving experience, the Zeekr 7GT has been developed for drivers who want their EV to feel genuinely connected and responsive. The first thing you notice is the steering. It's direct and intuitive. You point the car and it goes exactly where you expect. No hesitation, no delay.
The steering gives the agility of a small car with a turning circle of just 11.6 meters. Then, the off-center steering effort is precisely calibrated to be responsive to direct inputs through corners. To deliver excellent ride quality and dynamics, the 7GT does not compromise. Its suspension is normally found on higher-end European performance cars. A double wishbone front suspension architecture in a short long arm configuration and a 5-link rear axle minimize the roll, increase grip, and to deliver a sophisticated body control. The 7GT is comfortable on vertical movement, yet controlled laterally to prevent body roll, striking the sweet spot of European drivers' expectations. The active air suspension with a continuous damping control has been tuned on European roads to continuously adjust to the car on the road surface and the way it's been driven.
Dedicated drive modes further sharpen the experience for the driver and allow you to assess all the performance you need. 4 preset modes tailor your car's responses. First, this manage aspect of the vehicle dynamics from steering to damping, to air suspension, to weight, and ultimately the power delivery. Comfort mode is the default setting, has been carefully calibrated by our engineers to feel refined, relaxed, and perfectly suited to everyday use. Sport mode, on the other side, is distinctly more dynamic. It tightens the body control, increases driver engagement, while maintaining comfort and stability. The result is a refined dynamic EV that feels truly connected to the moment you take the wheel. There are further dedicated modes, efficiency-focused journey or winter condition. and all settings can be further personalized and stored as your own individual mood.
We have also carefully considered the weight and aerodynamics of the car to contribute to efficiency and confident, stable handling. The 7GT features a low drag coefficient close to 0.25, a significant contributor to stability at speed and the car's impressive range. Air flows over the low bonnet with a gentle rake along a tightly controlled surfaces on the side, over the swept roofline and the rear spoiler. The adaptive air suspension system offers multiple height settings. Very high, which is plus 35 millimeters for winter conditions, up to 38 kilometers per hour. Lowering down to 20 millimeters from 105 kilometers per hour for higher range efficiency and to maintain the vehicle control. The lowest settings are activated automatically while driving and cannot be manually selected when the vehicle is stationary. The car weight distribution is centered, with a 50-50 split front and rear. The low position of the battery and the motors further create a low center of gravity as a base for managing the roll and pitch effectively through the chassis hardware.
The other part of EV performance to explain is the charging. Here, too, the Zeekr 7GT excels. When you need a rest stop on those long cross-country European journey, it can charge up to 480 kilowatts. And at 480 kilowatts DC, with a 10 minutes coffee stop, you can receive enough charge for another 340 kilometers of driving.
Delivering that charging performance is an 800-volt onboard electrical architecture. 800-volt is the new standard for high performance and luxury EVs. Higher voltage means basically lower current and so less resistive loss in the powertrain. With a 22 kilowatt onboard AC charger, our proprietary high voltage architecture means greater efficiency with the fastest possible charging speed. This is delivered by a 25 kilowatt second generation lithium iron phosphate battery.
So in the all-new Zeekr 7GT, you will find the elevated craftsmanship that creates a refined and luxurious space to relax on any journey, the seamless intuitive technology that supports the driving experience, and the exceptional performance, dynamics and range worthy true GT car. The only question that remains how we package and how we bring this to our European customer. Let me further explain this. The all-new Zeekr 7GT launches across Europe with the 3 versions. Each one shares the same design, the same attention to detail, and the same engineering excellence. More performance, more technology, more craftsmanship, a chassis tuned for Europe, and a driver-oriented cockpit, a true GT car, whichever model you prefer. Your choice depends on your driving patterns and your level of performance and comfort you prefer. We begin with the core mode. This version is a rear-wheel drive powered by our 75 kilowatt-hour lithium-iron phosphate battery. It offers strong performance with more than 400 horsepower. The central element of the 7GT experience are present: the 15-inch OLED central display, the panoramic roof and acoustic laminated side window, the versatile practicality, and the full capability of a Zeekr Assistant Drive and the refined crafted cabin. This version suits drivers attracted by the design, comfort and performance of the Zeekr 7GT. Next is the long-range rear-wheel drive launch edition. This model offers a larger 100 kilowatt-hour nickel manganese cobalt battery with a target range of up to 655 kilometers. It includes the augmented reality head-up display we showed you earlier, plus the Fuel 23 speaker sound system with the driver address speaker, premium leather upholstery, and fragrance system. This model offers the greatest flexibility for regular long-distance travelers. Finally, we have the privileged all-wheel drive launch edition, my favorite model. This is the most performance-oriented version. To the 100 kWh battery, it has dual electric motors to deliver 646 horsepower and an amazing 710 Nm torque. For the stronger acceleration, with 0 to 100 is only 3.3 seconds. You also receive the active air suspension, the upgraded braking system with the 4-piston orange-painted caliper and ventilated disc housed in a unique 20-inch GT wheels. The Privilege Edition also features power door and a contrast black roof. It represents the full expression of Zeekr 7 GT capabilities, combining technology, dynamism and craftsmanship.
Für mehr Videos einfach abonnieren.